The Chelsea Foundation has held its 4th annual Tech Slam event at Stamford Bridge, which aims to help young people understand the role of technology in sports. Several US-based organisations took part, including the Hidden Genius Project, which trains and mentors youth from ethnically diverse communities.
The young men we've served, they've gone on to finish their secondary school or high school. They've gone on to university at 90% plus rate. They enter into workforce and internship and entrepreneurship opportunities. But more than anything, they're leading in their communities. And so, we've got nearly 120 young people here today that are being, inspired by alumni of our program. The same goes for Team and Oakland Natives Give Back, who've also sent alumni of their programs to facilitate.
We're on our 3rd workshop. Our first workshop we did these little robots, and you control them with an iPad and the toggles. That's been my favorite because you were racing and stuff. It was really fun.
It's given me a wider view on how I can use technology on a smaller basis to a bigger basis. It's been really fun. It's opened me up to a whole new endless possibilities.
We're delighted to be working with the Hidden Genius Project again. It's a good relationship that we have with them, and they brought their hidden geniuses, their young people and their gems from the Oakland Natives Project to come over and work with our young people to take part in a tech slam, to find out about different types of STEM-related activities. It's a really great opportunity for our young people who are already part of our Chelsea Foundation project.
Following Eden Hazard's retirement,